Okay, so to order or shop on TikTok, need to click on the live pink icon and then the yellow bug to see all of the products that they are selling. Now, if you want to select some products, you click on the add to cart. And then if you want to add more, you're still, just press add to cart instead of a buy button if you want to order more. Now, when you're good to go, you're final with all of your orders, you can then click on the add to cart icon at the top. And then here I have also some products that I added to cart. It's in the different shops. So if you don't want that to be checked out, so you just need to select and deselect them. So let's say I just want the Angie Lowland to be added to my checkout. So you just deselect the other store. Okay, you can also change and add address. They also have some occasional discount code that you can use. And then when you're good to go, you just need to place the order to proceed. Now, in order for you to track the item that you have checked out or it's already in process, you need to go back to your profile. You click that add to cart, and here are the unpaid, the ship, the shipped, and to review and all the stuff. So yeah, that's how it works, guys. Hope it helps and be shopping.